So, welcome to week 3. Term 3, week 2. We're doing area and speed, but the speed, distance, time is extra for experts. You must focus on area first. So, I've got some links for area, but we'll find other stuff during the week. So, the big thing is you are doing a reflection on this term's learning habit. So, the focus is create. So, in create, we can see the problem solving in there. And the particular interest is problem solving. We're writing a reflection on the Google site in our new subpage Term 3 measurement. And the reflection should explain what you do when you are stuck. Being able to get unstuck is a vital academic skill. The reflection should include how you use your learning workbook, your textbooks at the back of the room, videos, online notes, Transom and Education Perfect to get unstuck. You might not use all of that, but you explain the ones you do use. Also, who do you ask for help? You've got to rate yourself according to the N, not yet emerging, E for emerging, D for developing, P for proficient, and A for advanced. So when you do your learning habit reflection, I need to know what you rate yourself as. There's a guide here saying that not yet evident is like you have no idea what to do when you get stuck. And in fact, some people get stuck and they basically go off task. That's not yet evident. Emerging is knowing that you should be asking for help but not actually doing it. So you've got some idea of what to do when you get stuck, but you don't do it. Developing is like when you're stuck, you ask for help. Very simple. You're stuck, you ask. Proficient, when I'm stuck, I've got a range of strategies to get unstuck. So you're using the provided resources and you ask for help when you need it. For advanced, you're almost always able to unstick yourself. Like you're able to access the resources and work it out and get unstuck. You also have found some additional resources. For example, LearnCoach has really good videos, that kind of thing. So you've found some additional resources that weren't provided that you use. You're confident to ask for help when you need it. So even the most independent learner must be aware that sometimes they need help and ask for it. And crucially for advanced, you actually help others get unstuck. So that's important as well. So if we go into Google Classroom, I've got that same thing cut and paste there, and I've also got the create image. So with the create image, you can actually either get it from the site. So if we search and we get our snipping tool, click on snipping tool and go new, we can grab that image, and then when we're in our website, so I've just got my example website and we edit, what we need to have on pages for maths, you can see I don't have any term 3 algebra, so I need to add a subpage, term 3, measurement. Okay, done. And what I should have in there would be last week. So that was week 1. Then I should have this week of week 2. And I'm going to, I'm just going to Control V, my create. So here you might want to have a bit of a title. So learning habit reflection. So it's very clear that I can find it. And it's problem solving and what do I do when I am stuck. Then explain what you do, and then I rate myself, and then you're going to do the proficient or advanced. Now, with spelling, it's very good that, yeah, okay. Proficient or advanced. I'd be very surprised if anyone in 9X is less than that. So also our aim on this site is to have like 10 or so sentences per week and quite a few images showing what we've actually been working on and what we've been learning. Okay? Does that make sense? So if we go back here, that is probably the thing that helps you the most to guide your reflection. So, freeze it.